We present you the S-400 long-range ADMS designed for the air defense of most important administrative and industrial facilities, as well as territory of the country from massive airstrikes. The air defense system consists of a control subsystem including a combat control post and a radar complex that detects air targets at the ranges of up to 600 kilometers. Up to 8 air defense missile complexes. Each of them can consist of all-altitude detector, a multifunctional radar, and up to 12 launches of 3 different types with 4 types of missiles, with the range of up to 120 kilometers, 200 kilometers, 250 kilometers, and 380 kilometers. Technical support and training facilities. In front of you is 51P6E launcher, designed for the storage, transportation, automatic pre-launch preparation, and vertical launch of 2 types of surface-to-air missiles. 40N6E SAM with the target engagement range of up to 380 kilometers, and 9M96E2 SAM with the range of up to 120 kilometers. In total, this launcher can accommodate up to 4 large missiles or 16 small missiles in transport and launch containers, and their combination is also possible. The uniqueness of the large SAM is the presence of the home and head capable of operating in 3 modes: passive, semi-active, and active. The launcher deployment time is up to 5 minutes. The wheeled-based chassis provides high cross-country ability and mobility of the system. The S-400 ADMS in a complete configuration provides for simultaneous engagement of up to 80 air targets, flying at the speeds of up to 4,800 meters per second, with up to 160 missiles being guided to engage them. The main features of the ADMS are the versatility of destruction of both aerodynamic targets and a wide range of ballistic missiles, including medium-range ballistic missiles with a launch range of up to 3,500 kilometers, long range and altitude of engagement of targets, short reaction time, a large number of simultaneously engaged targets, small radar cross-section of engaged targets, including stealth ones, high efficiency of destruction of air targets before striking industry and infrastructure objects, a large ammunition load of surface-to-air missiles, and short deployment time and rolling-up time. The S-400 is a unique air defense missile system that has no analogues in the world and is capable of protecting most important facilities of your country from attacks by modern and prospective air attack weapons.